Today, I'll be showing you AXO Seven Sisters student accommodation. Here is the reception where you can come and ask anything at any time because it's open 24/7. Then there's mailboxes where you can collect your mails and parcels. Here's the common area where you and your friends can sit and hang out. There's a large TV and many spaces. If you're bored of studying in your room, there's a communal area where you can study here. There are many tables and desks that you can use to study. You can study alone or with your friends. Welcome to the game room. Here is a pool table that you and your friends can play. And there's a ping pong table. So here you can sit down and chill with your friends, watch some TV. Yay! Where you and your friends can sit here, have some dinner together. There's also a sink and you can also cook together here. Here's the fitness room or the gym. This is already included in your rent, so you can enjoy it as much as you like it. There's many machines here that you can use, and there's also a space where you can do your exercises here as well. It is very spacious, it's really nice. Welcome to the laundry room. It's very convenient because it's in the building. There's a washer and a dryer for you to use. So this is the bike store. You can store your bikes here. Welcome to Silver Studio. So in the room, you have your own kitchen area where you have a sink, some storage spaces, and your own hob area to do your cooking. Next, you'll have your own little study area where you can sit and study here. Next, you have your own wardrobe. Has a few drawers inside and it's fairly spacious with more storage space on top. You will have your own dining area where you can just sit and eat your dinner here. For a studio room, you will have your own bathroom. You will have your own toilet seat and your private shower area.